Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create a graphic designing portfolio online. In this video, we will talk about the platform where you can create a graphic design portfolio online, and we will also show you how you can make your first project on this platform. So make sure you're watching this video till the end. If you're a graphic designer, the platform we recommend to you to create an online graphic design portfolio is Behance.net. So as you can see, we are on the home page of Behance, and over here you can see there are a lot of creative posts right over here on the home page, and you can see there are different forms, there are paintings, there are digital characters like this, and you've got so many things. So whatever is your forte, whatever is your genre in graphic designing, be it editing or illustration, this platform is one of the best places to create your portfolio online. So to do that, all you need to do is sign up. And for that, you need to click this button right over here on the top that says sign up. And then you'll be taken to this page where you need to create your Adobe ID. So you can do that in three ways. First is by continuing with Google, or you can continue with your Facebook account, or you can also continue with your Apple account. So those are the three options on top, or else you can simply sign up with your email, which is what we're going to do over here. So just give in your email, put in a password, and then click continue. Complete the account creation process by putting in your first and last name and your date of birth as well, and click on done. And then you will be taken to this place where you can select one or more topics from here. So since we're talking about graphic design, we're going ahead with that one. And whatever you choose over here, the platform will have a customized feed for you based on that. So this is your customized feed. As you can see over here, these are the steps that you will need to complete to keep your profile update. Now let's see how we can create our graphic design portfolio. For that, you need to click on share your work over here. If you hover your cursor on share your work, you've got four options over here. You can either create a project, like you can build a completely new project on Behance, or you can also showcase your freelance offerings by this one, which is the service option. Or else you can create posts on Behance to show that you are working on something so people know how your work is progressing. It's kind of similar to YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels that disappear in 24 hours. Well, that is about the work in progress. And the last option is live stream. A lot of people use this platform to go live to show things that they are doing live from their desktop. So for creating a portfolio, before that, let's just first go ahead and create a project on Behance. So this is the editor for creating your first project. So let us do that. You've got a lot of options over here on the right side as well as in the center. So you can add an image, text, a photo grid, a video or audio if that is what you do in graphic designing. You can embed from somewhere else, or else you can add something from Lightroom or an NFT or a prototype or even a 3D design. Let's start by adding a text. Let's call this editing. So now that we have added our text, let's go ahead and add an image. So let's add this one. So we're going to create a profile for photo editing. Let's just go with that. We have the image over here and we have our text over here. If you hover your cursor on any of these elements, you've got many options. For now, let's just leave it as it is, and we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now, here you will need to give in details for your project. First of all, let's upload an image, and you need to keep in mind that there is a size limit over here and GIFs are not allowed. So let's just go ahead with that image. Once it is uploaded, then you just need to give in a project title. Let's call this photo editing. Now you can use some tags. Tags are really important for people to discover you and your project here on Behance. So let's go for photo editing. Stick to the point and make sure not to have too many tags as well. When you put in one tag, there will be suggested tags over here from which you can select something if you want to. And that's it for now. Next, you can also mention the type of tools you use. Next is how would you categorize this project? This is required, so make sure that you are selecting the correct things. If you don't find the suggestions over here apt for your work, click on view all fields and you can see there are tons and tons of fields over here. So we're just going to go with editing, and that's that. You can also set your visibility to everyone or private. If there's any adult content, you can tick over here. If there are co-owners that you want to give credits to, then you can click over here and add that as well. Then go ahead and click the publish button, and your project is getting published right now. So that's how it will look like. Let's move this out of the way and this as well. So that's how your first project is created. Now, if you go over here and hover your cursor on your profile icon, then you can see that these are the things you can access. Let's go to our Behance profile. So this is your Behance profile, and this is a checklist for you to complete all the details so that people will discover you better. Let's get that out of the way. And over here, you can see that you can display your work. This is the project that we had created. Then there is the services tab where you can add a service, or if you have Adobe stock assets on your profile, you can add that as well. And then NFTs or live streams, if you have done one, then you can do, you will find it over here. Or if you want to go live, you can do that from here. Then there is the mood boards section as well. Appreciations is something that you will see if people have appreciated your work on Behance. It will be over here. Insights will show you how you have performed, how your work has performed on Behance, and then drafts will show you your drafts. It's important for you to have a good profile picture over here and also a banner image. Now, before creating a portfolio, make sure that you hit this edit your profile button and complete all the details over here so that your profile is more visible, has more details, and you will find people who really want your service. So anyways, let's go ahead and add a banner. Now you can see that the banner's dimensions are mentioned over here. The platform we recommend to create a very good banner is canva.com. So let's go to Canva. So on Canva, you have the option to create a custom size picture. So just go on that and put in the details, that is the dimensions of the banner for Behance, and then click on create new design, and you will be taken to the editor interface. Now on the right side, you can see there are a lot of these templates that you can use. Like you can go for this one, or you can go for something better like this one. But you can see these are not at all related to our field. So what we're going to do is we're just going to undo what we entered over here, and we're going to start from scratch. First of all, let's give it a background. We're going to go with a color like gray. Now let's go ahead and add some elements related to editing. So let's search for editing, and you can see there are all these things available. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add something that is related to editing, say this one, and then we're just going to put it here. Let that be there. Let's add some text, and we can go for something that is professional looking, something like this. And let's enter over here graphic design. So that is that, and let's just increase the size of it. Let's just place it on this side, and we'll go ahead and add some more text like that and bring it on the side over here. Again, you can ungroup and remove what is not needed, and type over here photo editing, retouching. So whenever you add text, just make sure that it is to the point and represents what you do. So that's how it's gonna be. Now let's go and download this, and that's gonna be our banner for our Behance profile. So that is how you use Behance to create your online portfolio. With that, we have completed this video. We hope it has been of great help to you. If you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comments section below. We will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.